Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing 20 life-saving facts everyone should know. These practical tips could be the difference between life and death in an emergency, so let's dive right in. Fact number 1. Heimlich maneuver. If you or someone else is choking, the Heimlich maneuver can be a lifesaver. This technique forces an obstruction out of the airway. Remember to position yourself behind the person, wrap your arms around their waist and pull upward, quickly and firmly. Fact number 2. Escape a rip current. If you're caught in a rip current at the beach, don't try to swim against it directly. Instead, swim parallel to the shore to escape the current's grip, then head back to shore once you're clear. Fact number 3. Fire safety. Stay low. In case of a fire, remember that smoke rises. Stay low to the ground as you exit the building, where the air is clearer and safer to breathe. Fact number 4. Recognizing a stroke. Knowing the signs of a stroke can save a life. Remember, fast, face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, and time to call for help. Acting quickly can prevent severe brain damage. Fact number 5. Avoiding lightning strikes. If you're outside during a lightning storm, avoid standing near tall objects like trees. Crouch down with only your toes touching the ground to minimize contact and reduce the risk of being struck. Fact number 6. Staying calm around dangerous animals. If you encounter a wild animal like a bear or shark, avoid sudden movements. Stay calm, back away slowly and avoid direct eye contact, which can appear aggressive. Fact number 7. Learn basic CPR. Knowing CPR is incredibly important. Focus on chest compressions over mouth to mouth, pushing firmly at 100 to 120 beats per minute. Your quick actions could keep someone alive until emergency services arrive. Fact number 8. Identifying poison ivy and poison oak. Learn to recognize poison ivy and poison oak to avoid painful rashes. If you've touched them, wash the area immediately to reduce irritation. Fact number 9. Hypothermia. Warning signs. In cold weather, layer up. Hypothermia can set in quickly, and if someone is shivering, confused, or has slow movements, get them indoors and warm them up gradually. Fact number 10. Carbon monoxide safety. Carbon monoxide is a deadly, invisible gas. Always install detectors in your home, especially near bedrooms, and avoid using gas appliances for heating indoors. Fact number 11. Alcohol and cold water. Never mix alcohol and cold water activities. Alcohol makes it harder to feel the cold and can lead to dangerous hypothermia much faster. Fact number 12. 3-3-3. Rule for survival. Remember the 3-3-3 rule. 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in extreme conditions, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. This can help you prioritize needs in survival situations. Fact number 13. Snakebite first aid. If bitten by a snake, stay calm, keep the bite below heart level, and try not to move too much to prevent the venom from spreading. Fact number 14. First aid for burns. For minor burns, cool the area with cool water, not ice, and cover it with a sterile, non-stick bandage. Avoid using butter or oils as they can worsen the burn. Fact number 15. Recognizing heat, exhaustion, and heat stroke. In extreme heat, stay hydrated and find shade. If someone feels dizzy, nauseous, or confused, they might be experiencing heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Seek medical help if symptoms persist. Fact number 16. Earthquake tips. During an earthquake, if you're indoors, get under a sturdy table or move against an interior wall. If you're outside, move away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Fact number 17. Car and water. If your car plunges into water, stay calm. Remove your seatbelt, roll down the windows immediately, and escape before the car fills up with water. Fact number 18. Avoid using phones while walking. Texting or scrolling while walking, especially near roads, increases your risk of accidents. Stay alert and save the screen time for safer moments. Fact number 19. Animal bites and rabies risk. All mammal bites carry a risk of rabies, especially from unknown or wild animals. Seek medical help, even if the bite looks small. Fact number 20. Let someone know your plans. Whenever you're going on an outdoor adventure, always tell someone your plans and estimated return time. If something goes wrong, they'll know when to alert authorities. Thanks for watching. These are 20 facts that could save your life. Share this video with friends and family to help them stay safe too, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential tips. Stay safe out there.